you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to show you my order that I placed from Jeulia Jewelry. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, my order that I placed by Jeulia Jewelry just arrived. In my last unboxing video, I did explain to you guys that there was an item that I purchased for my friend's daughter. It's for her birthday. Well, now it's belated birthday and early Christmas gift. So I'm killing two birds with one stone with this guy. But I wanted to show you, just in case maybe you know anybody that's in the medical field or anything like that. I know nurses, I think there's like a nurses week or some kind of thing with like the medical. So I thought this was a perfect time to show you guys what I purchased for my friend's daughter. So this is how it comes in their box. I have two items in here because I did get a jewelry box to put my ring in. I told you guys I got that too. So that is in here as well. But I'm super, super excited that this is finally here. So now I can show you and I can wrap it and get it sent to her so she can be enjoying it. So here are their boxes that they always come in. They could be smaller or bigger depending on how many pieces that you actually purchase. And this one's meant for like a 2-item box. When you open it up, you do have their brochure that is inside. It always goes over some of their information. Not everything is in here, but they always change this from time to time or season. And so I always love to look through this just because all of their jewelry is absolutely stunning. And I just think it's amazing. It's the only jewelry company that I always tell you guys that I recommend and bring to my channel other than my crystal jewelry that I show you guys monthly. But this is just, when it comes to actual 925 sterling silver jewelry with their proprietary stones, like I just love Jeulia Jewelry. So you have your booklet. You can go through and look at everything in there. It's a bigger book than what I showed you. You do have this paper that says stop. And if you get something that is sized, then they'll have like a little paper, like a paper tag on it. Make sure it fits you before you remove that tag, because removing that tag will now void your warranty, so you won't be able to exchange it for another size if you remove it. So stop, drop, roll. Make sure it fits first before you remove it. That's what this says. Then you always get a gift bag. So if it is a gift for somebody else, it's already gift ready for you. So literally all I would have to do is pull that box out, stick it inside of here. So it comes like this. So if it is for a gift, literally you have your jewelry in there, little box right there. Oh, that's right. There's something else that I added to my order. Okay, hold on. So this would be the item. You just drop it down inside of here. And then it comes with a cleaning cloth. So if it's not for somebody else and you're not going to use the bag, take out your cleaning cloth so you can utilize this to clean your jewelry. There's several different colors. This one, however, is white that says Jeulia right there on it. Again, they come in several different colors, but this is a great way to at least clean your jewelry, keep it clean. They also give you a card. It says Jeulia greetings, and you can write to and from with a little message on there. And all of this can be dropped down in here and it's already gift ready. They have you covered with all of those steps. If it's for yourself, then again, you do not need to worry about the bag, but definitely take out your cleaning cloth. And then this is the product down inside of this box. So it always comes in their nice jewelry boxes, which you could always store your jewelry inside of them, which I do because they protect them. And then down inside of here is going to be the actual necklace. Now, when I did my last unboxing for you guys, not the last one, but the time before that, the one that I had a ring and I gifted a pair of earrings to one of you guys, that video, while I was screen recording for that video before the last one, I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so perfect for my friend's daughter. Again, she's in the medical field. I'm so proud of her. She's just doing so good for herself. And once I saw that this had a, how do you say, the stethoscope? And it's always like a tongue twister for me. That's one word that I normally don't have to say. But luckily, I'm not in the medical industry, so I don't normally have to say that. But the stethoscope, I always wanted to start with like a T for some reason. Stethoscope, I believe is how it's said. But look at, I'm going to take it out of the package. But this is a heart with one of those, you know, those listening devices. And it's customizable to the birthstone. And my friend's daughter's birthstone for March is the aquamarine. And that's like my favorite color, and her favorite color is teal. So I'm like, oh my gosh, that's perfect. This is like meant for her. Look at how cute. And it's just so dainty and just beautiful. This is going to look so cute on her. And then she can wear this. And then it's like, you know, it's part of her field that she's in. So that's why I really wanted to show you guys, because in case you know anybody that's in the medical industry or was in the medical industry, is a nurse, a doctor, anything, this would be an amazing gift. And you can customize it. You can choose any color that you want, or you can actually put their birthstone in there for the recipient. And that's what I did for my friend's daughter. It's her birthstone for March. And I'm just super, super thrilled. I cannot wait to now wrap this and get this mailed out to her so she can have it and be enjoying it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I think she's going to absolutely love that. So let me just show you the jewelry box that I did purchase, because on their site, you can purchase so many different types of jewelry boxes. And I saw this one and I was like, yeah, oh, sorry. The necklace that I purchased is $89, and you can always use my code SheCrafty15 to save 15% off their already low prices on their site. So keep that in mind if you are interested. And it looks like that. And then you just open it, and then it has the hole right there to put the ring in. And that's what I was telling you guys. The other one that I have is like a bigger heart, and it doesn't have a place to actually put it in. And I only want that one ring in it. It's just like so big for that one little ring. So I wanted something smaller that I can just have that one ring in alone and be able to just have a really nice box for it. So okay, so I stuck it in and I was super excited, but then when I went to close it, I'm like, oh, you're too big. So this one's not going to work. So I'll just have to save this for something else. So this is the one that I was currently using, where I said it was a little big and it had nothing to hold on to it. But I actually realized that if I turn this to the side just a hair, and it'll close perfectly fine. And then at checkout, while I was checking out, it did the good old, would you like to add a few things? There was some options to add, and there was this commemorative small mirror with a leather case. It's a Jeulia jewelry mirror, and it's normally $3, and it said it was 37% off, being only $1.99. And I'm like, yes. It was the color blue, but it looked like a mint green, and it is. So now I'm so excited that I did get it, because I can keep this like in my purse or in my car, whatever. And then I have a mirror, so you just, it has this little opening here, like this little tag that you pull out, and then there is the mirror right there, and then the back is just silver. So there's not a mirror on the back, it's one-sided mirror, but then it's in this cute little mint. It came in pink or mint, and it has their logo right there on that. Again, I just thought that was super cute, just to drop down in my purse or in my glove box or something. You never know when you need a mirror to check anything, check your makeup, check your teeth, anything like that. This will probably go in my purse, but I just had to grab it. $1.90 with the mirror, and it's in a cute mint green case. Heck yeah. So that is what I purchased. Again, I got the mirror and this box for myself, and then I got the necklace for my friend's daughter. And you can always use my code SheCrafty15 to save 15% off if you are interested. I will link them down below, and I will have a link that will show you all of the different jewelry that I've ever got or received, if I purchase them or that they've sent them to me, just so if you want to see anything that I actually have and wear, you can see that as well, or you can just see all of their different stuff. They have all kinds of earrings, necklaces, bracelets, some you can customize. You have sunglasses, there's bags, there's, again, jewelry boxes. There's so much stuff you can find on their website. They will all be linked down below. If you like to know a little bit more about Jeulia jewelry, because I love to tell you about them, I'm going to let you know right about now and show you some more stuff from their website, just so you can get a better understanding of like what they actually have, because they have so many wonderful items available. So when it comes to their ring sizes, just so you know, you can go from anywhere from a size 3 all the way up to a 15 and every half size in between. So just keep that in mind. The Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a mined diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. Now, on their site, they have a chart that I like to tell you guys about. It's their Jeulia stone versus a mined diamond. Looks like a diamond, check, check for both. Durable, check, check for both. Hardness is a 9 on a Jeulia and a 10 for a mined diamond. Density is 5.70 for a Jeulia and 3.52 for a mine diamond. 100% ethically sourced is only for a Jeulia stone. Potential harmful mining is only for a mine diamond, and you will save a whole lot of money going with a Jeulia stone. All of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver, just so you know. And they also have 30-day returns, free standard shipping over $99 or more for the orders. They have 1-year warranty, flexible financing, and secure shopping. Measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Jeulia's proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be curated in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. So that is what I like to tell you guys about them. Again, I absolutely love this company. That's why when I saw something or when I see anything, I definitely do purchase. I don't just wait for them to send me things. I have purchased several items on my own, and you can use my code SheCrafty. It's 15 to save that 15% off. But again, I just definitely wanted to pop on here, show you my order so you can see what I purchased for my friend's daughter being in the medical industry, because that is just an amazing thing. You never know. If you know somebody in the medical field, that could be a great gift idea for them. Birthdays, Christmas, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, any occasion, anything like that. So again, they will all be linked down below. You can definitely go check them out, see what they have. If you would like to learn more about me or my animals, see other discount codes for other companies, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, so then you can see all the different videos that I do upload. I do so many different types. You never know what I'm going to post. So if something pops up that you're not interested in, no problem. Just pass it until you find one that you are. It's that simple. So now that is everything again for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the item that I got for my friend's daughter? What do you think of my little jewelry box? It's super, super cute. I love it. I love that mirror too. What do you think of Jeulia jewelry? Definitely comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.